A serum containing red wine, hyaluronic acid, and collagen offers multiple benefits for the skin. In wine, can have positive effects on the skin. These effects are known as anti-aging and skin protective effects and are due to the ability of antioxidants to fight oxidative damage and free radicals in the body. Effects and mechanism of action. 1. Combating oxidative damage. Antioxidants in wine can prevent the production of free radicals and thus prevent damage to skin DNA and skin cells. 2. Maintaining collagen. Antioxidants can maintain the skin's collagen and prevent excessive decline in the collagen level as a skin aging factor. 3. Fighting skin inflammations. Antioxidants may help reduce skin inflammations and prevent damage to skin cells. 4. Red grape wine slows down the aging process and makes the skin and cheeks look fresh and young. Skin effects of hyaluronic acid. Dehydration, improved skin elasticity, fills fine lines. Effects of collagen, increased skin firmness and elasticity. Wrinkle reduction, skin repair and regeneration. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Skin effects of red wine. 1. Red wine is rich in polyphenols and resveratrol, which protect the skin from environmental damage and free radicals. 2. The compounds in red wine improve blood circulation in the skin. 3. The anti-inflammatory properties of red wine can help reduce redness and inflammation, especially for those with sensitive skin. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.